Lisbon is the capital of Portugal, as well as the largest city and port of the country. It is located on the left bank of the Tagus River on the Atlantic Ocean coast. Lisbon is one of the most beautiful cities in southern Europe, with a stunning atmosphere soaked in the sea and the sun. The capital of Portugal charms with snow-white limestone buildings, pretty streets with yellow trams and laid-back charm. Lisbon is one of the oldest cities in the world and at least the oldest in Western Europe. The first mention of it dates back to the 3rd century BC. Despite this, there is practically no evidence of this antiquity in the city. In ancient times, Lisbon, as well as Rome, Moscow, etc., was often awarded the title of City on Seven Hills. Today, this is no longer so relevant, since the city has grown far beyond these hills. But we can say for sure that in no other European capital will you find so many ascents, descents, sudden changes in heights, stairs, etc.
Don't leave me here.